Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday and I'm talking really low because it's really early in the morning right now. It's about 6 in the morning and I'm not trying to wake anyone up. Today I have a really busy day. I am actually gonna go do makeup. I was referred to a new client by my best friend Deanna, which you guys probably know her as Delish Deanna. She is an incredible makeup artist, so talented. And the fact that she referred me to one of her regular clients, I feel so special because it's really hard to hand over a client of yours to someone else. You really have to trust them, and the fact that she trusts me with her client, it just like means the world to me. So I love you, Dee, for that. So yeah, so today I'm gonna go do that. Hopefully I can bring you guys with me, but I also have to be very respectful, especially because it's a new client and it was referred to me by my best friend. Like, there's like boundaries that you just don't want to cross, so you have to be a little careful. I'm gonna get myself together. I'm gonna do something with this hair because it is a mess, and get my day started. I got my coffee. I wasn't really feeling good yesterday. I was actually in bed all day watching a new show. Which one? Dr. Foster. I spent literally the whole day watching Dr. Foster. So right now I have to finish prepping my kit and then I'm gonna head out. You wanna say good morning? Huh? Jordan? Hi, Tinky Butt. You're sicky poo. I'm so sorry. He's not feeling well. So I got here a little early, so I tried to find a Starbucks, which is inside of a Ralph's, which is perfect because I didn't have any breakfast. I've only had coffee, so I'm gonna try to get some snacks before I'm maybe like 20 minutes early. I know I'm always late to everything except when I have a makeup to do. I always arrive super early to set up because I want to start exactly at the time that we have to start glam. So I'm gonna head into this Ralph's and see what I can get to snack on because it's gonna be a long day. So I ended up getting the meat and cheese plate and my skinny popcorn. Hopefully this holds me over till the end of the day. It has been a really long day. It is 8:11 and I'm just now getting home. I wasn't able to really vlog anything. We did a photo shoot for her birthday and she looked so pretty. I'm like closing my eyes. I've been up since 6 and I'm gonna head home. I mean, not head home, I'm already home. I am gonna go inside and take a really hot shower and probably just go straight to bed. Come here, Pop. 1, 2. Good boy. Good boy. So usually Anthony takes Jordan for a walk, but he's not here, so guess who has to take him? Me. He loves his fox. Look at how excited he is. Come on. still a little sick. I have to take him to the vet because he's been like sneezing a lot. So I just got back home from walking Jordan. I have to get ready for a call right now at 10:30. I have about 4 minutes to make my coffee and get myself together. I woke up super late today because I was so tired. I probably went to sleep like around, I want to say 10, because I was so tired. So let me go get my life together for this call. I'm sitting here debating whether I should film first or go run my errands. I feel like I should film first because I want to take sun photos. It is 12, so if I film, I think I'll have enough time to get my stuff done. I'm on my second cup of coffee. I have so much to do and I just cannot afford to be tired or to be sleepy. So I think I'm gonna film first. Yeah, I'm gonna film my do's and don'ts and then do everything else. Also, my skin is doing a lot better. I don't know where this came from, but I no longer have my little rash. All right, so I am taking a break from filming. I am in the middle of filming my do's and don'ts. My left side is obviously my don'ts, and my right side is my do's. I need to eat something because I feel like I'm gonna pass out. The video that I'm filming right now is probably gonna go up before my vlog, so I'll probably link this video in the description box. I'm about to eat some tostadas de tinga. My mom made them and oh my god, they look so good. I'm gonna show you guys. Her tinga is fire. You guys don't understand. And yes, there are 4, and yes, I am going to eat all of them. So a few weeks ago, I asked you guys if you wanted my mom to start her own Instagram. She's basically just gonna make food and show you guys how she makes it, but we're having a really hard time picking a name. I don't know if she's gonna do a YouTube. She's not really good in front of the camera. She doesn't even like to take pictures, so it's kind of hard to get her in front of the camera. But if you guys give me some name suggestions in the comments down below, that would be greatly appreciated because we're having such a hard time trying to figure out names. So I know a lot of people on Instagram always tell me like, what is a recipe? Like all of these things, my mom's the one that makes them. I know how to cook certain things, but she gets down in the kitchen. Ask anyone that knows me, anyone that has been around my mom's cooking. It's just so delicious. She's like, she has a hand. You know, I have a hand with makeup and she has a hand with food. And I'm so happy she does because I love food. I mean, who doesn't love food? But it's just so delicious. Anyways, I'm about to eat and then I'm gonna continue filming and I will see you guys in a little bit. Just finished filming. The left side is how I used to do my makeup. I don't know if you guys can see it. My eyes are a little bit more droopy. My brows are very, very intense. I don't have any bronzer or any type of definition on my left side. And I do on the right side. I look a little... And my lips are a lot smaller on my left side than they are on the right side. I'm gonna take some photos and then I'm probably gonna run to Kohl's to go return my Amazon stuff, and the rest of the stuff is gonna probably have to wait till tomorrow because I'm running out of time. So I finally made it at the house and I'm on my way to Kohl's to go return the stuff. I'm gonna show you guys when I get there because I wanna make sure I get there first what I got and what I'm gonna return. It should take me like 7 minutes. We're pretty close to a Kohl's, so let's go. So I made it right on time and I have 10 minutes. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So I needed to order some new lights for my KINO lighting, but these are not the right ones, so I have to return them. I also bought this thinking it was a lot bigger and it's super tiny. I just got a new dining room table, so I wanted something to decorate it, and also the color is kind of off. I really didn't like it. Let me show you guys the skates. So these are the skates that I got, but I didn't realize that I ordered the wrong size, and I also found some other ones that I really like. For those that probably don't know, this is actually something I've never talked about, but I used to love to rollerblade when I was little, and it just makes me feel so happy. So I decided to order some rollerblades so I can go to the beach with Anthony and just exercise that way, because you guys know I don't exercise, which I should. But ooh, look at this breakfast that I am about to have. I was craving pancakes, eggs, and sausage. Already got my coffee. I feel like I'm always in the same spot. Every time I film in the morning, I'm downstairs. I'm on 3 hours of sleep. Jordan woke me up, I guess today, at 2:30 in the morning. He was congested, sneezing, coughing. I ended up taking his temperature just to make sure that he didn't have a fever, because he was just really fussy. I gave him a lot of water, and I have a vet appointment today at 1:45. I am currently editing my video. This is the look that I filmed yesterday, which is my do's and don'ts. That is gonna go up today. I am gonna finish doing this and then probably try to take my car to get a car wash and go to the post office since I'm gonna be out. So yeah. Yes, we're gonna go. Oh my God, you're so excited. I'm gonna take you to the vet. Are you excited? Yes. Oh my God, he is so excited that we're about to leave the house. Per usual, I'm running late. My video is still uploading. It's gonna be up a little later than I expected. And I also have to get ready because Angel's throwing himself a little situation tonight for his birthday. So I can't wait to celebrate with him. And yeah, so I'm gonna head out. I'll keep you guys updated with Jordan to see how he's doing. I know, I'm coming.
Good afternoon, this is Carmen. How may I help you?
Hi, Carmen. I am here to drop off Jordan. I had an appointment at 1:45.
Okay, awesome. What parking spot are you in?
I am parking spot number 3.
Number 3. Okay, we'll be right there.
Thank you. So due to COVID, they are not allowing anybody inside. We have to call and basically let them know that we are here, and then they come and grab your dog, which is great. My poor little baby, you sicky poo. Aww, what's the matter, Bubbles? Huh? Are you sick? I honestly feel like I am here at least 2 or 3 times a month with him because of his allergies. He's such a sensitive Frenchie. Hi, Bubbles. Hi, Jordan. So I got Jordan back, and look at him. He does have a little nasal infection, which they gave him medication for. They also just told me to let him rest and just to, you know, keep an eye on him, make sure that he is eating and drinking lots of water, which he already has. Oh, babies. Oh, my little ray of sunshine. Okay. You ready to go home? Yeah? You ready to go home? Yeah. So I got Anthony some new slides, because the ones that he uses to go walk Jordan are completely done. And these were like $13 on Nike.com. I'll show you guys. 13 bucks for these. They're super comfortable too. So tonight we are going to be celebrating Angel's birthday. For those that don't know who Angel is, I'm referring to my really good friend Mac Daddy. I got this cute little package with some Mac Daddy money to make it rain tonight. We got some tequila to get me started. So I'm about to jump in the shower and start getting ready for tonight, because I just got my hair done. I only washed it once. I don't want to keep washing it. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this Jet Lag Invisible Dry Shampoo by IGK before I jump in the shower. And what you're supposed to do is just spray a generous amount of it all over and leave it on for 30 seconds. And then you just start massaging it into scalp. I swear by this dry shampoo. This is literally one of the best dry shampoos because it doesn't dry out my scalp. Most dry shampoos give me so much dandruff, and this one doesn't. All right, I'm putting the final touches in my lips before I jump on this Zoom party for Angel's 30th. I got my tequila, I got my lime, I got my salt. We're gonna try to join this Zoom.
just wanna hold.
All right, so we just wrapped up Angel's little celebration. He had the Chippendales from Las Vegas perform for us. We did a few games. I couldn't show you guys much because they were playing music in the background, but that was really cute. We played games. We threw literally Mac Daddy money at them. It was really cute. I thought that was like a really cute way to kind of like start off his birthday because his birthday is tomorrow. I finished one of these Casamigo tequila little things that he sent me. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and I'm gonna go to bed because I'm on 2 hours of sleep. I honestly don't even know how I'm functioning right now, but I am. So I'm gonna clean this up and then get ready for bed. All right, so I had a really busy morning and I didn't get a chance to like pick up my camera, but I am on my way to a surprise little brunch that they're doing for Angel's birthday. He has no idea. I'm getting him a bottle of 1942 because Angel is super hard to surprise and I know that's his favorite, so I'm gonna get him that and then be on my way. I did my makeup really quick. I have my hair up. So I'm gonna go inside and pick up the bottle. Trying to not ruin your makeup while wearing a mask is impossible. I smudged my nose contour. But I got my 1942. All right, so I just got to the party and I'm, I think, like the third person here, which never really happens. I'm always late, but it's a surprise thing for Angel, so I had to make sure that I was here on time. I'm gonna show you guys how freaking cute it is inside. They have mask and hand sanitizer. Everything is well planned. This is super cute. Look at this. Can you see?
I don't even know if he's. I don't know if he's. Open the door. I don't think you can see. You gotta slide it. Surprise!
I just want everybody watching Griselda's vlog to know that I love her and I've known Griselda since I was a tiny little lad. And she was my first model ever when I launched my brand Artist Couture. She drove 2 hours with, I wheeled her in telling her I was gonna do her makeup. She showed up and I was like, oh, I can't believe
You're gonna do your own
Can you do it
makeup.
yourself? she was my first model and now
Can we get a hug?
Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday. I had so much fun at Angel's party yesterday. Today is going to be a pretty chill day. I'm going to spend the day cleaning, organizing, and we're probably just gonna spend tonight just like watching movies. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I appreciate every single one of you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next Sunday.